Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with the real estate group, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the real estate group's official website. Look for the Contact Us section, usually located in the main menu. Click on the link to access their contact information. Take note of their phone number and email address. Choose your preferred method of communication. If you prefer to call, dial the number displayed on the website. Once connected, politely introduce yourself and state your interest. If you prefer email, open your email client. Compose a new message addressed to the email provided. In the subject line, write a brief description of your inquiry. In the body of the email, introduce yourself and explain your interest in connecting. Be clear and concise in your message to ensure a quick response. Next, consider following them on social media platforms. Search for the real estate group on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Click the follow button to stay updated with their posts. Engage with their content by liking and commenting on posts. If they offer webinars or live events, register to join. Participate in these events to gain insights and network with others. Finally, consider visiting their office if feasible. Prepare a list of questions to ask during your visit. Be open and friendly when you introduce yourself to their team. By following these steps, you will successfully connect with the real estate group. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.